I take the responsibility of dog ownership seriously. That's why in designing this home, we wanted to give them a proper place right here, call it the dog run. And not to mention the dog wash area that we talked about in our very first episode. So if you have dogs, call them over, grab a treat, and enjoy this episode. For this build, we wanted the dogs to come and go into this dog area as they see fit. So we're installing two doggy doors, one here in the backside of the garage and one in the garage into the hallway. This one here will be powered, and all that means is the dogs will have a collar with a chip in it. So when they get close to the door, it will just open for them automatically. It does two things. It adds a layer of security and it keeps unwanted guests out, like say a raccoon. The inside doggy door will just be a standard saloon style. So it'll open as they push themselves through the door. So what you normally see in homes. If you don't have the wall space to put in the doggy door, you can consider getting a doggy door that will fit into your actual door. The only difference being the width of the framing. So for a wall, you're going to have a 6-inch frame for the doggy door. Into a regular door, you may only be about 2 inches thick. You know, there was two other areas where we could have put this dog run. One of them being on the back side of the living room, the other one on the back side of the spare bedrooms. We ultimately landed on this spot primarily for the shade effect and also for convenience. You know, we have a spigot in the garage, which is really convenient for refilling their water bowls. And also, if and when they get muddy, you can bring them in directly through the garage into the dog wash area instead of bringing them in through the house. Another really nice thing, as you can see, enjoying this space, looking at Pikes Peak. I mean, who wouldn't want that? You know, your dogs will probably never fully appreciate all that you do for them. So maybe the only gratitude you'll have is making caring for them a little bit easier. I hope that you can incorporate a dog run area for your pups. Around here, we say mock it up or mess it up. We'll see you next time.